Hi, this is Julius Washington, your local realtor here in the Metro Columbia region of South Carolina. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video today. I'm so excited to show you this home that's built by Great Southern Homes. It's in the community of Blythewood Farms of Blythewood, South Carolina. And yes, Blythewood is a fast-growing, fast-developing, highly desirable community that is well sought after. And if you're ready, buckle up your seatbelt and come along for this ride. See you soon. Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute.